Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the needle on a Singer 5528 sewing machine. So first thing you're going to do is raise the needle up to the highest point it can go. And then we're going to take this little thumb screw here, we're going to loosen it, and we're going to drop our needle out. And this needle has a flat spot on it. I'm just going to show you real quick. This flat spot will actually face the back of the machine. And when you do it, the hole inside the needle there should be front to back. So if it's side to side, you've done it incorrectly. So with that flat spot facing the back of the machine, we're going to slide back in. And then tighten up our screw. And that's literally all there is to it. Nice and simple. Hopefully this was helpful, and please like and subscribe.